Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on addition with trading. This video looks at addition of numbers with trading. First example, we're adding 57 plus 39. Now if we remember from the last video, that's the ones column and that's the tens column. So 7 plus 9 is 16, so that means we have 6 ones and 1 10. That's how we trade. Because that's the tens column, and the 7 and the 9 added up to 16, we put the 6 in the ones column and the 1 in the tens column. So that's actually one lot of 10. So that gives us 6 there. 3 plus 5 plus 1 gives us 9. So the answer is 96. Example 2, 6 plus 4 is 10. So we put the 0 in the ones column and the 1 in the tens column. 3 plus 8 plus 1 gives us 12, so the answer is 120. Example 3, 8 plus 5 plus 2 gives us 15. You put the 5 in the ones column and the 1 in the tens column. 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 1 gives us 14, so the answer is 145. Example 4, 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 5 gives us 23. You put the 3 in the ones column and the 2 in the tens column. So that's actually two lots of 10. So 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 7 plus 2 gives us 23, and the answer is 233. 653 plus 129. 9 plus 3 is 12. Put the 2 down in the ones column and the 1 in the tens column. 2 plus 5 plus 1 is 8, and 1 plus 6 is 7. 849 plus 365. 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 in the ones column and the 1 in the tens column, so that's one lot of 10. 6 plus 4 plus 1 is 11. So you put the 1 in the tens column, and that 1 there represents 100. So because that's the hundreds column, you put that in the hundreds column. So 3 plus 8 plus 1 gives us 12, and the answer is 1,214. Example 7, 5 plus 9 plus 2 gives us 16. Put the 6 there and the 1 in the tens column. 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 1 gives us 19. The 9 goes there in the tens column, and that 1 goes in the hundreds column, because that's actually 100. 1 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1 is 12, so the answer is 1,296. Next example, 9 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 gives us 26. Put the 6 there and the 2 in the tens column. 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 gives us 27. Put the 7 there and the 2 in the hundreds column. And 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 gives us 22. So the answer is 2,276. It's very important to understand that this is the ones column, the tens column, and the hundreds column. So that's actually two lots of 10, and that's two lots of 100. Example 9, a little bit more difficult because now we have the thousands column. We add those numbers up. 4 plus 0 plus 3 plus 8 is 15. Put the 5 there and the 1 in the tens column. 7 plus 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1 gives us 25. Put the 5 there and the 2 in the hundreds column. 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 gives us 16. Put the 6 there and the 1 in the thousands column. 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 1 gives us 29. So the answer is 29,655. So this is one lot of 10, two lots of 100, and one lot of 1,000. Example 10, 8 plus 3 plus 9 plus 3 gives us 23. Put the 3 there and the 2 in the tens column. 9 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 gives us 25. Put the 5 there and the 2 in the hundreds column. 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 2 is 23. Put the 3 there and the 2 in the thousands column. 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2 gives us 25. So the answer is 25,353. So that's 2 lots of 10, 2 lots of 100, and 2 lots of 1,000. Problem solving. One of the main reasons we need to be good at basic skills is to solve problems. So here's an example. Town A had a population of 34,267 people. Town B had 65,348 people. And Town C had 43,765 people. What was the total population of the three towns? Now, common sense tells us that we just add these three numbers up. So 7 plus 8 plus 5 gives us 20. Put the 0 there and the 2 there. 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2 is 18. 8 goes there and there's the 1. 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 13. 3 goes there and there's the 1. 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 13. 3 goes there and the 1 there. And 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 14. The 4 goes there in that column, and the 1 goes there. So the total population is 143,380 people. Now, this is the ones column. This is the tens column. So that's 2 lots of 10, 1 lot of 100, 1 lot of 1,000, and 1 lot of 10,000. So that's how we interpret those numbers there. So this video has shown us how to do addition with trading, and we've seen an example how to solve a problem.